Hi everyone, today we are going to do a dressing for the freezing cold video. If you can't tell by my getup right now, I wanted to show you guys how I pick out outfits. I thought that could be a little more fun than just a lookbook because it seems like my lookbooks aren't doing very well recently, so we're going to switch things up a little bit. I don't really have anything planned for what I want to wear today or like in this video. I put out a bunch of sweaters that I want to show you guys from Everlane, so thank you so much to Everlane for sponsoring this video. Honestly, they just have the sweaters and like cold weather pieces, so I was like, oh, that makes sense, let's do that for this video. But the base layer, the absolute key to dressing for the freezing cold is having long underwear. I talk about this all the time. I used to sell the Grand Valley football tickets, and I used to have to sit outside in the freezing cold. I was not dressing to be cute, I was dressing to be warm, and these thermals saved me. Other kids would be absolutely like freezing, and I would be alive. But this thermal top is actually from Tesla. I don't really understand it at all, but I've had it 3 or 4 years, and honestly, like, I sweat to death in this. And then the leggings are also Tesla, and then these wool socks are from like the 80s. I've always worn them for snowboarding, so that's what we're gonna wear today. I just want to show you guys that this is really easy to fit under clothes. And then also, sometimes if I need like one more layer under everything, I'll put on, I can't do this for the video, guys, like I'm gonna sweat. This little thermal is from Everlane, and I got this, I wanna say, definitely over a year ago. And again, it is just like a really nice thin layer. And for some reason, the thin layer that's like tight, it keeps the heat in so well. So sometimes I'll add this little thermal as well. I have it in white also. I want to show you guys, it's not new, but I'll do that, but I can't right now. So let's style the first outfit. You guys know I'm loving this like cobalt blue color for the winter time, and this is a new sweater from Everlane. It feels really thin, but honestly, any wool sweater is gonna keep you so warm. And it's got a turtleneck, which we really like. This is something I would have worn in high school with like the leggings. Then I really like this blue with like a cream, so let me find a pair of pants. So I've shown like an outfit similar to this before with these little textured baggy pants on, but I want to show something different. So I want to try this with black leather pants. I feel like this could be fun, or a fail. Let's try and dress it up a little bit. What if I did this with cowboy boots? Has she lost her mind? I'm already sweating. Does that look bad? That's kind of cute. I'm gonna keep it. Honestly, any leather shoe is gonna keep you the warmest. Cowboy boots don't seem like a winter boot. I don't have like a fur-lined winter boot besides my Uggs, which you're gonna see, but my feet don't get cold in Doc's leather boots. As long as I have the right socks on. And it really is, like, do not wear a rubber boot outside. Your whole body will freeze just because of that. This is fun and different. We're trying something new for sure. Let's do, should I put another layer over this? Like a cardigan over top? This could be fun. Or it could be awful. Okay, wait, I like this. And the more layers you get on before your winter jacket, the better. I like this together, and then my warmest coat is my wool trench. So you might be seeing this like the most in this video because it's just the warmest. Honestly, I just like don't really like my puffers that much anymore because they're not really puffy anymore. To tie in, because we have a lot of black on bottom, I want to do a black hat, maybe a cream bag, some accessories. This is why I didn't do my hair for this video, because I'm just going to be putting hats on. Hats are gonna keep you so warm. Do I like this? I think I just want a beanie, which is surprising because I'm obsessed with those little fur hats right now. Yeah, that's a little better. I like the cowboy boots. Am I losing my mind? The way I'm so warm right here. Oh, and these leather pants are from Who What Wear. My shoes are thrifted, Everlane sweater that I've had for a while, Everlane sweater. I don't know where this black beanie is from. And then let's do this little cream bag. I think is cute, especially if you match your hat to your boots. You definitely don't need to match your shoes to your bag. If I was extra cold, like I was gonna really be out and about, you need a scarf. It covers everything else, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Oh, and then I'm not gonna show these every time. Maybe I will. I made these little fingerless gloves. I can link the tutorial I followed down below. This was like the third thing I ever knit, and they were really easy. Obviously your fingers would get really, really cold. I don't have any mittens upstairs, and if I run down the stairs, I'll be sweating so bad I won't want to film the rest of this video. If anyone says anything about this not keeping you warm, I live in Michigan, like I know what cold is. That sounded really braggy. That's funny. Okay, next outfit. Let's go a little bit more casual because I did not intend for that outfit to be even more dressy. I want to play into like layering and seeing my layers. So I'm gonna put a big white t-shirt on. This really isn't doing that much for, and the white t-shirt I grabbed just happens to be my merch. I have my own merch tee in every size because I wanted it to be baby tee and big tee. Shopping Ozark. Sorry. I'm gonna put this crew neck sweater on from Everlane, and I really just wanted my white shirt to like, you know, peek under because I like the look of that. My hair is gonna get so messy. Then to make it super casual, I'm gonna put on these Adidas track pants. I got these off Depop, and the girl I bought them from DM'd me and she's like, oh my god, I watch your videos. So thank you so much. I'm gonna put her Depop name right here. I got these little puffy shoes. I want you guys to see them up close. These little puffy shoes from Everlane as well, and I showed Brandon them and he wanted a pair, so I got him a pair. My dad saw them and he asked for a pair, so I got him a pair. They're unisex. They come in like green and brown and then this black color, and they're not slippers, they're like outside shoes. I know people are gonna have mixed feelings about this outfit in general, but I love the controversy. What's next? Like, I don't want to just keep putting my wool trench on, but like that's the warmest jacket I have. Like, what else could I put on to like not use that jacket? I just know like none of these would keep me warm enough, and I don't want to lie to you guys. I'm not gonna put on a fur jacket with this, but I will do this. Let's add one more layer. This little vest is from Free People. It's really cute. If you're not in the freezing cold, you might be able to get away with this, and that's so cute. But then we've got to put the trench on. We have no choice. Cute. All the layers you can see. Then we'll add the black beanie, and we'll do my black Telfar. And because I can like button all this stuff, I don't think I'd really need a scarf. Obviously you can add a scarf and your gloves. I just don't feel like putting them on every time, okay guys? Honestly, I like this outfit a lot more than I thought I would. The wool trench pulls together every outfit, especially like you would not think a wool trench and Adidas track pants would go together, but to me they go together. So I actually really like this outfit too. I'm kind of killing it right now. It normally takes me a lot longer to figure out outfits. Let's move on to the next one. We're gonna be a little more dressy. Okay, I want to show you guys how you can wear like a dress or skirt in the winter time. So we've got on these long underwear. Next, we have fleece lined, and these tights are just from Amazon. They have a bunch of different skin tones. Really good. Now make it flagged. Then I have my little black sheer polka dot tights. Oh my god, sheer black tights in the winter? Is she crazy? These tights are from Express though, and again, I've had them for over a year, and that's the first rip in them, so pretty good. I'm sweating. We're going to do gray Everlane sweater and little black skirt. This skirt is also from Depop, and it's way too long, but I just like pull it up really high or I roll it. I know like sweater dresses and like knitwear dresses and skirts are coming in soon, so this kind of gives that vibe. It's just a sweater from Everlane. I'm gonna roll this up more. Honestly, all my sweaters are from Everlane, sponsored or not. I think you guys know that though. I like my skirts to be really short. Sorry, can't help it. Then, what do I want to do for shoes? We can do another layer on your legs. You can take thigh-high socks and put them on, and that's just the icing on the freaking cake. But I don't think I want to do that, you guys. I don't want it. We can do wool socks again, and you won't see them in your cowboy boot. I would also do like loafers and little white socks, but those won't keep you as warm as a pair of boots. I'm sweating so bad right now. And then I want to do that black fuzzy hat from earlier. Should I put a vest on? Try this little sweater vest from the thrift. Can't really see the sweater vest, but like it's there. And then I need color, so we're gonna do my plaid scarf that I can't stop wearing. And this plaid scarf, like, it matches so well with my camel jacket. And then Talfizi. What is this, outfit number 3? There's like 6 outfits in this outfit. That's what I mean by these like layer videos. So many outfits on, and I'm sweating. Here it is. What do you guys think? Would you be warm? Like the way there's no breeze coming to my leg right now. I'm so toasty. Okay, next outfit. Let's start with some super thin silk pants. So if I wanted to wear these, obviously I would always do my long underwear in the wintertime. But then I could also do like a pair of fleece lined tights and then the long underwear. Then some camel colored things. But then my jacket's camel colored, so we'll see what happens. This sweater is Surprise from Everlane. So cute. And then little Uggies. If you want your legs to be really warm, pull your socks all the way up. But I'm sweating. Cute, we're liking it. I think I want like a sweater vest over top of this, like a baggy one. This one will add a lot of warmth because it's so thick. It's thrifted, but the brand's LL Bean. I got this so long ago. You guys know it's like one of my favorites. Cute. I'm liking it. We're getting somewhere. You know, for the sake of this video, I'm changing my jacket. We're gonna do a leather jacket. As warm as the wool jacket? No. And I think that looks really cute with like all the browns and then the black I really like. I think with this, we're gonna do a beanie. My plaid scarf. I'm sorry, you guys, but like, I don't have an endless wardrobe to keep changing out these items. Okay, this is cute. Black purse. Or maybe, let's switch it up. Let's do my little knit Nicolina clothing bag. I think that this is kind of fun. The way I'm still sweating. Maybe this isn't like your coldest outfit day because you're wearing a leather jacket. I could get away with this in probably like 20 degrees. This is cute. I didn't think I was gonna like this outfit and now I like it. It's trusting the process, you guys. Last one because these take a long time to put together. This is my last new sweater from Everlane. You've already seen this style. It's just like the big baggy turtleneck. The way I know my mom's gonna watch this and ask for all these sweaters, but they're like so good and they're gonna stay in your closet forever. I just realized what a weirdo I look right now. What a weirdo I look. What? Should we do something crazy or safe? Crazy or safe? I chose crazy, but what type of crazy? We've got these sweater pants from Lisa Says Ga. Okay, this could be fun and I feel like you guys would eat it up. But what I'd probably wear, camo pants. Maybe I'll show you both of them. I'm a good friend. I think you guys are gonna like the striped pants better, but I know I'm gonna like the other ones better. I don't like this. I'm sorry if you like this, but I don't. If I wear these striped pants, I like them like summery or just with a crew neck. I like them super basic or like dressed down. So I'm gonna do these and be weirdo. Okay, so we've got these pants on. And then I'm literally sweating. Like I can't imagine putting another layer over top of this. So I don't think I'm going to. But we're gonna do beanie. I don't know about this outfit. We could do Uggs. No, I think I want to do tennis shoes. After I just said tennis shoes won't keep you that warm. If you're a true girl who lives in the cold, you know, sometimes you just do it and you're like, whatever. I'm not gonna freeze my butt off, but I'm not gonna be as comfy as I would be in my Uggs. But sometimes you risk it and you just don't care. And if you don't understand, I don't know what to tell you. I feel good about that move. Something practical, the wool coat. Honestly, if you guys haven't tried one of these in the winter, I promise you they keep you so warm. I know it doesn't really look like it would, but it does. And then I want my plaid scarf. Because again, if I'm gonna be stupid with the shoes, I'm gonna be practical with everything else. CEO of Trust the Process. And I want my Telfar. Because there's nothing better than a crossbody in the winter. And that's it. There's the last outfit. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to see another one, I can definitely do it. It's easier for me to make videos like this instead of like 20 outfits in one video. And we can just have a bunch of shorter ones and us working together to pick out outfits. I think it's kind of fun. Remember to check out Everlane for literally any sweater and jeans and like everything else you need in your life. Everlane has taken over my entire wardrobe. If you haven't been watching all of my lookbook videos, I always have my Everlane way-high jeans in them. For once I didn't. Those don't keep me very warm. Or an Everlane sweater. But that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. And I'll see you tomorrow because it's still Vlogmas. I love you so much. Bye.